Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about the correct timing that you need to have when you're optimizing your ads in a daily basis. As you know, in this channel we're pushing the concept that you should start your ads the next day at 6 a.m. Why we do that? We do that for the reasons that we explain on the video. You can go and you can watch it. The same principle applies here. Because of the fact that if you are doing changes during the evening, you're going to just have these changes apply only for some hours of the day until the budget is going to reset, because the budgets are daily. They are resetting at 12 o'clock on the night on the time zone that you have applied into your ad account. So if you're changing at 8 o'clock, the change is going to apply only for this hour and then it's going to start all over again. I think that the best period to actually change your ads, it's in the morning. Let's say you wake up at 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock and stuff. My whole plan, for example, in Greece is that I'm waking up and I'm not doing the optimization immediately in the morning. I'm waiting my evening because all of my clients, most of my clients are in the United States, so I'm waiting the evening to do it. For clients that I have in UK, I'm doing it in the night after the reset. So you have to adapt your program in a way that you're going to do it or after the reset or in the morning, so that it can have several hours for your changes to apply and actually see if they're going to work or not. Because, for example, if you're having one ad set that you want to close and you don't like it anymore, it doesn't make any sense for you to close it in the evening, because for the whole day it actually spent, okay? Also, we are watching and we're evaluating in all of our optimization the results based on the last 7 days. If you have last 7 days, which is not including the day that you're watching the ads, okay, and you're optimizing, if you're doing that and you're doing it in the evening, that means that if you do it like this, it's going to not show you the results of the day. Maybe in the day it got sales or whatever and you shouldn't have closed it. But when you take decisions based on the last 7 days in the morning, that means that you're taking correct decisions with correct data and there is no hidden data for the day that you're running now. Now, this is not so important because you can actually optimize by just including the today day when you're optimizing, but still I think that the best optimization hours are the morning hours, so that you can have the whole day to apply all of your changes and actually make the difference, because this is why we optimize. We optimize so that we can make our ads better, okay? Not just because we want to touch something here and there. Another note that I have for this, and I'm going to say it in this video, I'm not going to do a separate one, is that a lot of times I see people that they say, for example, I want to change this on my copy, this here and there and stuff, which is also a change. I wouldn't suggest you to do these kind of things because it resets the ads. So if you have an ad which is optimizing and in the last 7 days it has 50 sales, even if you change a comma or a full stop, or you change a spelling mistake, whatever, okay, this is going to reset it and it's going to start all over again, the optimization, trying to find data and sales. So I don't think that you should touch them when they are working. If something is not working, you can duplicate it and start it all over again, it's fine. But keeping it to your mind that whatever you are changing, apart from the budget and the name of the campaign, ad set, whatever it is, everything else that you are going to touch there, it's going to reset the ad and it's like it's starting all over again from the beginning. Let me tell you that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, you can check my book or you can check my free course. And until we meet again, guys, be creative and be consistent.